Hey guys, today is day 39 of 50 Chocolate Makers in 50 Days, and today I have Woodblock Chocolate that I've been tasting. This is my very last Woodblock Chocolate bar. It's a toasted sesame bar. There you go. Woodblock Chocolate. They are located in Portland, Oregon. Therefore, they have these wonderful handcrafted in the City of Roses. Beautiful postcard there, and they actually have a wrapper of one of their chocolate bars that looks like this with all the roses on it. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. Love Woodblock Chocolate. Charlie Wheelock, one of the guys behind Woodblock Chocolate, is such a joker. He has a video of what looks like him announcing that the city of Portland is installing pipes and piping hot running chocolate to all the houses in Portland. And so if I can find that video, I will put the link in the comments below. And but Woodblock Chocolate's always been one of my favorites. They're down in Portland, Oregon. They have just recently opened a big, huge new factory. I've not had a chance to visit it yet, but hopefully very soon I will. Their drinking chocolate has been one of my favorites, which is why this is absolutely completely empty. But I love the character behind the company. I love that they joke and are not taking themselves too seriously. And I like the fact that they actually make chocolate that they are going to like, and these cute little small size bars. Very, very nice. So when I visit the factory in Portland, I will definitely do a video. And from what I understand, they have quite a few different chocolate beverages and things to eat, like a little chocolate cafe. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. For those of you who have been watching my other channels, the Pacific Northwest Chocolate Society is launching next week. And we are launching in Seattle, but that doesn't mean we can't take a field trip down to Portland. So hopefully we'll be able to do that very soon. So watch the Pacific Northwest Chocolate Society on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter for those updates. PNW Chocolate Society. We are sold out for our first event, but we will have another event coming up next month. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Talk to you soon.